Oh, ang auto? Ang auto? Bueno. Kami sila.
Original market.
Sa...
Singer missing.
Siguro banking ay siguro ko lang ako bomba. Yan. Yan mo kayo siguro ko. Yan.
It's locked inside.
Ulit ko buwasan ko lang kalabo.
Oh yeah, pork. Oh.
Gusto mo? Wala ba? Kaya wala na yun. Sulpot. Sulpot? Samsam na ko. Kaya yung putoy ko.
Iya tampan, kaptoy. Weekend ta Shaban. Nandanchi.
Kawel. Kawel ko lang. Ay, puta. Puto. Puta.
Yeah.
Tanto puto bula. Tanto puto bula lagi nimo. Enda. Oh. Enda lagi nimo ama nim dombe bangko tila syar kan jang.
Kaya dah jodoh wah.
Udah.
So many blessings that we hardly remember some. One of the blessings that been bestowed upon this man is Lenny. All brothers and sisters are still alive. And Mark is with us here in Honolulu. Caleb's mission. Before I say that, Caleb shared with me when we were back home in Bombay in the younger days that the first time that he felt the Holy Spirit in his life happened to him during one New Year's celebration with our cousins and friends in Bombay. He celebrated the New Year bought with another group of boys in that town. Then one of our cousins got stabbed and was pronounced dead at the same instance. Caleb told me that never happened to him in his life. He got so scared and afraid. This feeling, being scared and afraid, lingers inside him for weeks. Couldn't get rid of it because he was afraid and scared, very, very terrible. Couldn't forget what happened to our cousin. He was there with our cousin that night of the New Year's Eve, and the guy got stabbed in the back, he got killed. His mission work, he went to a lot of places. He was in Guam, he went to the Philippines, Fiji, Bombay, even here in Honolulu. As you all know, that he built up his relationship with God, preaching. His preaching has touched a lot of youngsters. That was his main goal. The younger age, even the most difficult age to turn people around for God's love. But that's the target group that he was really concentrating on. And his brother Mark was confused. To be reached? Whom? Caleb told him, if God is the highest, like Brandon Turab shared with us, if God is the highest, then that's my aim. I'm aiming for God. I want to be rewarded from God Himself. And most of us, my cousins, Caleb's brothers, we're all Christians. We all love God. That's one of the blessings that God has given our family because of our forefathers. Their belief, their work.
He was standing beside me with that grin on his face. And he was telling me. Now I said, Caleb, do you guys have Bibles over there that everybody can read? And he shakes his head, no. And so I said, wait a minute, hold on. And I went back into the storeroom. I was working at the Hawaii conference. And I brought in a box of Bibles.
Let's do it to the other side. Sige po.
Medyo ba?
post ka.
Ha?
Ang pala ni Soso mo.
Yun, kada, last month.
Last month?
Kung itong mga rose, di wala pa yun.
May bawat.
Suwang isang oras?
Di may penalized cubo net. Nasa sa vlog.
Non tirar, mega vanta que la.
Payment custom.
Okay.
Anak ko marahin na. Marahin na. So, sumendang man post ko na ba? Yo. So, ay, naglalabaw na sa